Okay, here we are. So this is our home page for the course, and you'll notice that the home page opens up in the modules. Modules are the way that I've built the course and organized the course, so we'll be going through these modules. And we'll be doing these modules in order, and it's important that you complete all of the items in order in the module before you can move on to the next one. So the first module is getting started. It's called Module 0 because it's really just orientation. So I'd like you to work through this module as soon as you can. It's going to give you all kinds of good instruction. It also has an assignment in it, a meet and greet assignment, and it will tell you what you need to know. It will also ask you at one point to go out of the module to the syllabus. So I've separated the syllabus in Canvas, and this is really important for you to look at. A lot of times we skip over the syllabus for a course because it seems like it's all the same information, but actually for this course all of the information in the syllabus is very specific and unique to what we are doing together, and it's really important to me that you go through all of this information. You can see that there are links, so you're just going to click on links and work through the various pages here that tell you what my policies are, how we're going to proceed, and also there's a lot of resources here for you to be familiar with. So please do familiarize yourself with the syllabus and work through the first 2 modules as soon as you can this week as we begin summer session 2019. And let me know if you have any difficulties, any trouble, just email me. I think the most important thing to know is that I am available to you virtually any time, although I do sometimes sleep, via email. And the best way for you to email me is through the inbox here on Canvas. The inbox is my campus email address, but if you email me through Canvas, then I get your message right away. If you don't email me through Canvas, what happens is sometimes those emails go to my junk mail, and I don't always check my junk mail as often as I probably should. So this is the way that we're going to communicate. I'd love to hear from you, even if it's just a, hey, introduce yourself. That would be great. All right, good luck everybody, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.